In this video, I'll show you how to reset your PS5 controller in case you're having issues with it or it's not pairing with your PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to turn it around. And right over here, you see on the right side of the Sony logo, you're going to see a small dot. It's a hole with a button that is deep inside of the controller. We'll have to press it during 5 seconds. I suggest you get one of these SIM eject tool. This is for my iPhone. It came in the box. If you have a phone, you probably have one of these. If not, take a paper clip or a needle, something very, very thin like this. Okay, so what we need to do now is to simply insert it in this small hole. And once you push it all the way in, you should feel a click, okay? So once you hear the click, keep your small tool over here pressed during 5 seconds. So let me demonstrate. Okay, I felt a small click. I keep it 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release. Okay, perfect. The controller has been resetted. Now, what's left to do, because it won't pair simply by pressing the PS button, you'll have to get the USB cable that was in the box or any other USB cable. Honestly, it does not have to be the PlayStation one, as long as, you know, you can have a USB Type-C connector to plug it right over here in the controller, and the other end in the PlayStation. If you have the PlayStation 5 Slim, you'll need a USB Type-C. If you have the first one that came, like mine over here, you'll need a USB Type-A. Simply plug it in one of these ports in the front of the PlayStation, and then simply need to press the PS button and it should work this way. Now, what if you do not have a cable around? Well, that's not a problem. It's just that instead of the cable, you'll need to have another controller. Let me demonstrate and show you what I mean by this. So let's say you have one controller that works and you want to pair it, your PS5, with another controller. Well, with the one that is paired, you'll need to go in the settings. Okay, let's go in the settings. Okay, top right corner here. Then in this menu, you need to go down and select accessories. Over here, controller. Then when you're here, select general, select Bluetooth accessories. And over here, you're gonna find the paired controller. And if you have another controller you'd like to pair with your PS5, so let's say this is my second controller. Well, you're gonna press the same way 5 seconds on this button, and then you're gonna keep press the PlayStation button and the share button, okay, both at the same time for about 3 or 4 seconds. And the controller should appear in the list over here under accessory found. And yeah, with the controller that is paired, go ahead, select it, and it will be added to the paired controller. Okay, you're gonna have 2 of them. So thanks for watching. I hope this solved your issue. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.